Hello there everybody, welcome back here. In today's video, let's go ahead and talk about how to change your voice by using your TikTok. Well, there's a lot of voice effects available on TikTok if we only know how to use them. Now, changing your voice from your TikTok is extremely easy and simple. In order to change your voice by using your TikTok, by using your iPhone or Android, the first thing that you want to do, go ahead and open up your TikTok applications, and after that, go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now, once you tap on the plus sign, first you need to record a video. So I'm going to just go ahead and just record a random video from here. So I'll tap here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my voice, the voice you guys are hearing right now. I'm going to change the voice from here. So I'll just tap it done. Now once you tap on done, you'll be able to see this option which says the voice effects. Now go ahead and tap on there, and now this is going to show you a bunch of different voice which is currently available on your TikTok. First, you need to download them, okay? In order to download them, you have to have the proper internet connection on your device. And now you'll be able to see the bunch of different type of voice effects. So let me just go ahead and choose some of those to see how it really works.
Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my voice, the voice you guys are hearing right now. I'm going to change the voice from here.
Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my voice, the voice you guys are hearing right now. I'm going to change the voice from here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my voice, the voice you guys are hearing right now. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my voice, the voice you guys are hearing right now. I'm going to change the voice from here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my voice, the voice you guys are hearing right now. I'm going to change the voice from here. Now once you choose one of those voices for your video, you can literally tap on post or tap on next in order to post your video to your TikTok application. So this is really pretty quick and easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it's so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.